In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Microsoft Access. If you've ever wondered how to open Microsoft's desktop database app quickly and reliably on a Windows PC, this walkthrough will get you there with clear, simple methods and a few helpful tips. First, the fastest way is through the Start menu search. Press the Windows key on your keyboard to open Start. Without clicking anything else, start typing the word Access. You should see Microsoft Access appear in the search results. Click it or press Enter to launch it. This method is great because it works even if you don't remember exactly where the app is installed, and it also helps if you have multiple Microsoft apps and want to jump straight to Access. If you use it frequently, consider keeping it easy to reach next time by leaving it on your Start screen or taskbar. Another reliable approach is to browse your installed apps. Click the Start button, then choose All Apps or All Programs, depending on your version of Windows. Scroll to the letter M and look for a folder labeled Microsoft Office or Microsoft 365. Open that folder and select Microsoft Access. Names may vary a little by version, but you're looking for Access in the Office or Microsoft 365 group. If you don't see it there, it might not be installed on your device or included in your current plan, so you'll need Access installed on Windows to proceed. You can also open Access by starting with a database file itself. If you have an existing database, find a file that ends with .accdb or .mdb in File Explorer. Double-click the file, and Windows will automatically open it in Microsoft Access. This is especially convenient when you're returning to a project or a shared database from a network location. As a good practice, only open database files from sources you trust. Once Access opens, you'll land on its Start screen. From there, you can open recent files or explore templates tailored for common tasks, all within the app's familiar layout. This is the central hub where your work begins. A quick but important note. Microsoft Access does not have a full web version. You can't run the desktop application in a browser. To use Access, it must be installed on a Windows PC. If you're on another platform, that's why you might not find it online. That's it. 3 practical ways to get into Microsoft Access and a key note about availability. Try the method that fits your routine, and you'll be up and running in moments.